Hi, good morning to all. Today I want to discuss about a few things on failures of gearbox. What are the reasons and causes, or what are the factors or important things you should know about the gear failures? In a previous classes, we could able to discuss on robotics failures and how we can overcome for that. Now we check. Now we talk about on gear failure mechanisms. First one, moderate wear and tear. Why I'm saying this first one as a moderate wear and tear in the sense because nowadays gears are merged with one to another teethers. So eventually the gears are can able to easily due to wear and tear. That's a major reasons. That's why I'm talk about the gear failures. First of all, would like to say the moderate wear and tear. It causes gear failures due to the contact patterns that we favored to the addendum and dedendum areas. This damages is caused by repeated uses of the gear and mostly invisible. You can reduce the damages caused by moderate wear and tear by keeping your gearbox sufficiently within lubrications. That's a major role. And second one we can say as an excessive wear and tear. How it will happen while during the operating the machining mechanical systems. The excessive wear and tear is considered another parameter. Excess wear results from moderation damages that is never addressed and causes periodic problems. This wear resulting in pitting on the surfaces of the gears. Pitting causes vibrations within a gearboxes, which increasing the noise and the damage to the gears. Eventually, these issues could result in the equipment failure. The best way to avoid the excessive wear and tear on your gears is to be addressed small issues early, so they can't become in a big issues. Next one, abrasive damages. Abrasive in the sense of what kind of materials to be overflow them. Abrasive wears a radial scratch, grosses and other marks identification within a contact areas in the wear. Similar to moderate wear, abrasive wear and the tear results which can be lubrication is containmented. The lubrication causes abrasive to the gear surfaces, which can be results in increases noises and efficiencies, downgrades and even gearbox failures. This type of gear damages can be prevented by the replacing of lubricant and keeping lubricant clean. While we considering the laboratories, we can able to use the coolant as continuously, so the density of the coolant will be changed, the moisture of the coolant oil also changed. So that once the density is destroyed means that cannot be used frequently. So every 3 days or on a weekly basis we can repeatedly changes the coolant. Maybe coolant some other acting the oils or in a coolant flow or water, some other cases. So whatever the things, weekly once or 3 days once we can change the coolant as properly with a clean. Then corrosion. Corrosion wear is the type of chemical breakdown process that can causes the gear failures. When lubrication is breakdown, the chemical destruct that remains eats away at the metal in the gears and can causes the corrosions. Corrosive wear usually present itself in a fine uniform pitting across the surface of a gear. Corrosions can be prevented by the using a new lubricant that prevent oil from breakdowns. Corrosion, while we maintaining the sense of weekly once or 15 days once we can change the coolant within a good conditions. Next one is a fitting. There are two type of fitting issues that can be result in the gear failures. Initial fitting appears as a small pitches and it can be indicated as a gear not fitting to other weld. Destructive pitting, when pits occurs in a large diameters, indicates an issue within a surface overload. Both type of fittings can be prevented through regular inspections and maintenance scheduled to the check gearboxes during the operations. While we operating the gearbox mechanisms, we can inspect and what are the parameters will be considered for in the fittings. That should be check it within a proper manner. Next other parameter is considered as breakages. Breakages occurs when their teeth or a tooth actually be broken away. You can find evidence of the breakage in the focal point of the wear that resulted in the breaks. Breaks can occur due to the high stress, excessive load or insufficient lubricant. That's why the breakage will be a major role because of the gear failures. Thank you guys watching for my video. See you on the next. Thank you all.